about mutation. Sounds so impressive, but basically what happened here now is we have a mutation of this pumpkin at the tip. As you can see here, we have two pumpkins right next to each other, and we have two flowers here right next to each other in the same pattern. We have again two pumpkins here repeating themselves. Here we have just one, so it kind of cuts off here. The mutation ends, or rather starts here and goes all the way along this vine. So what would be really cool now is, so what happens is basically the plant makes plant cells. It somehow when it's making a new cell, the genetic coding tells the plant how to through enzymes make the building blocks of life, blah blah blah, and basically makes the plant be built in the way that it is being taught by the actual genes in the DNA, something like that anyway. So what happens then is, as these are splitting, sometimes a mutation can happen and some of the genes mutate, which is natural. This is a natural process, happens once in every 10,000 genes, and since humans, for instance, are made from 100,000 genes, pretty much everybody has one or two mutations, but it might not show up. It might not be obvious. Here we have something that's really, really obvious, as you can see here. So what I have to do now is I have to somehow get this one to make seeds. But more than that, I'm thinking I also have to see if I can take some of the male flowers from here and pollinate one of these to make the seeds, and see if or even two of them to make the seeds. But it has to happen after, like on the part of the portion of the plant where the mutation is growing. Now we're late in the season, so I've already trying to root them here now, and we'll see. With a bit of luck, we can actually turn this into a new variety due to mutation. And this is quite common actually. A lot of cultivars have, the only reason why we have cultivars or any plants, why plants are growing the way they are, is because something mutated and then the seeds were saved from that, and that created a whole new variety or whatever. So that's how evolution, it's a natural process. Mutation always sounds like genetic engineering, but it's not. It's actually part of selective breeding. In this case, nature normally would do it. In this case, we're going to be doing it. So that's cool. I'll have to update you on how it goes. I'm gonna end the video here, by the way.